when you receive this machine, okay, when you should assemble it first, and then you will see this have this air for this pinkless bottles, this running, and this one is power, and the machine have one power and one air, one power and one air, power, okay, and this cooling just use out this plug. Compressor cooling counter use this one. It's power. Okay, so this is about the electric and this air, and all this connection you will see we will use this fast clamp for its connection. And then when everything be ready, we will start running machine.